Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to share something important to us, which is how to help a person who suffer with mental health and uh, what negative effect of mental health. Just recently, we are facing with a scary moment that hit Malaysia, which is COVID-19. Many people who were affected by it. The country was declared a state of emergency, and this is because that virus causes someone to die. And most people suffer of mental health problem due to certain factors such as loss of work and struggle for food. According to survey on mental health and wellness conducted by Rakuten Insight in Malaysia on May 2022, 59% of the respondents aged between 16 and 24 years had a higher level of stress and anxiety in the past 12 months. There are two common mental health illness, which is PTDS, post-traumatic disorder, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, and mood disorders such as depression and bipolar. This mental illness knows no age. Many children today also suffer from this disease because due to trauma and abuse. Mental illness really give us many negative impact, and how we can help them. According to Glenn Close, what mental health need is more sunlight, more candor, and more unashamed conversation about illness that affect not only individual but their family as well. She stated that mental health is not something that we can keep it alone, and we as a family or someone close to them should help them. This is why we should know more about mental health so we can give a little help to others who suffer with mental illness. Firstly, learning more about mental health is a way to help patients who suffer mental illness to face it. It is because the more we learn about mental illness, the more we can understand their situation, and we did not judge them freely. As a result, if many people learn more about mental health and aware of it, inshallah, one day the rates of this illness will decrease. Then, showing individual respect and acceptance to patients who suffer mental illness, it can help them to endure the illness. This is because they will more appreciate themselves. But nowadays, many people that doesn't care and not aware of how dangerous mental health can be. Some people make the situation more worse by saying something back to the patient who suffer the mental illness. It can make the patient more stressed and depressed. So we as a good Muslim, we must show some respect and acceptance to them. Last but not least, the negative effect to who suffer the mental illness is they can lose their job. It is because when they have mental illness and did not seek for the professional, it can make their emotional worse, and they cannot focus on their work, and their performance will drop. So this is the one of negative effect of mental illness. In conclusion, this is time for us to take care of our mental health. If we know someone who suffer with mental illness, we should help them. If it's a little help. Our emotional play a big part to our body. When our mind get disturbed and imbalance, it can impact to overall functioning of our body. Also, it negatively impact our emotional relationship, work, and work performance. Thank you for watching.